Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about Bari drop review, and by the end of this video we will analyze that whether this is scam or this is another scam or a product, whatever it is. So Bari drop has gained significant attention as a potential weight loss solution, but the numerous reviews and analysis suggest it may be a scam. So Bali Drop is marketed as a liquid dietary supplement that claim to enhance, right? What does it enhance? It reduce craving and boost energy level by simply placing a few drops under the tongue daily. Okay, this product featuring Moringa oleifera seed touted for this supposed fat burning properties. However, the claim made by the product lack substantial scientific backing, right? And as you can see here, till now, you have already figured that this product is false marketing. There's a no scientific evidence for it, right? And a lot of websites just bringing this up, this product, this marketing is completely false, right? So as you can see here, moderating hidden health risk and lack of transparency, overcharging without reason. Okay, that's another thing. And here, why you should protect you from these scams, right? And how you can do this, it's all they mention here. And the health risk, right? Users have reported side effects such as nausea, headaches, and abdominal pain, indicating potential health risk associating with the product. So it's completely very important. Make sure you go through it. And the pricing is very high. There's a no refund ratio. There's a no way you can contact them. So in conclusion, given the lack of scientific validation, questionable marketing practices, and potential health risk, Bari drops appears to be a scam rather than a legitimate weight loss solution. Consumers are advised to approach such product with skepticism and consult healthcare professionals for safe and effective weight loss strategies. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.